Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's Tastes Review episode, mga must-try and bestsellers for Z Cafe by 3Rs. Z Cafe by 3Rs. Closed on Tuesday, open Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. They're located at Saints Anne Building, Rizal, Ibarra Street, Iloilo City. For their delivery options, they're also available via GrabFood and Food Panda app. Full list of menus, promos, and other details, I'll provide description down below. For this episode, this is a sponsored brand review, and disclaimer lang mga nos, this is my opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or tastes reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip, malaking tulong na yan sa aking channel. This is your homemade ice cream. Available for flavors of cookies and cream, cheesy pandan, strawberry sprinkles. It has less sugar, no condensed milk, no evap, and no cornstarch. Made fresh with natural flavors, most especially for ice cream lovers and kids. These are Ice Scramble Classic. Even with more toppings to enjoy that excellent quality of its ice scramble ingredients, essence, and overall flavors. These are Rootberry Soda. A Z Cafe signature drink, interesting color, but for my experience, ito nag-overpowering sweetness for this drink is a Red Velvet Double Cheesecake. This bestseller drink, present in red velvet sweetness and also for its essence, at the same time for its distinctive double cheesecake. This is Avocado Double Cheesecake, one of their bestseller, especially for its on-point avocado essence, at the same time for its double cheesecake. This is Milk Nutella. This is Dark Choco Nutella. This is Oreo Special Nutella. For their Nutella series or drinks, it has the right consistency for its Nutella essence, sweetness, also for its milk, dark choco, Oreo flavors. These are Nachos Overload, food consisting of fried tortilla chips with melted cheese or cheese sauce, as well as a variety of other toppings of including meats, vegetables, and condiments such as salsa or sour cream. This is crunchy Meaty Dynamite is a version of the popular Filipino deep-fried egg rolls. Involves the use of stuffed long green chili wrapped in a lumpia wrapper and deep-fried until golden brown and crispy. This is Spaghetti is a Filipino adaptation of Italian spaghetti with bolognese sauce. It has a distinctively sweet sauce, usually made from tomato sauce sweetened with brown sugar or banana ketchup. It is typically topped with sliced hot dogs or smoked longanisa sausages, giniling, and grated cheese. These are fries cheesy overload. Is a dish consisting of french fries covered in cheese with the possible addition of various other toppings. Best served when it's hot and fresh. These are Clubhouse sandwich. A sandwich of bread, sliced cooked poultry, ham or fried bacon, lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. It is often cut into quarters or halves, held together by cocktail sticks. These are special Cheeseburger. Is a hamburger topped with cheese. Traditionally, the slice of cheese is placed on top of the meat patty. The cheese is usually added to the cooking hamburger patty shortly before serving, which allows the cheese to melt. Cheeseburgers can include variations in structure, ingredients, and composition. These are Korean spicy wings. Korean-style hot wings made with easy and simple. Sesame oil, brown sugar, and fresh ginger are just few of the main flavors. For those who love a kick of hot or spiciness, this dish is right for you. These are smoked barbecue wings. Flavor of smoked wing is so bold, smoky, and great day, and wonderful combination for its rice meal. These are chicken barbecue. Those who love a light and classic taste to rice meal, this dish has an exquisite taste and combination for its sauces and also for its chicken meats. Oyster Chicken a la King is a dish consisting of diced chicken in a cream sauce, often with cherry, mushrooms, and vegetables, generally served over rice, noodles, or bread. If rating manos based on experience and overall review with Ilonggo vloggers, for Rootberry Soda, I'll give it 8 out of 10, but for the rest of their foods and drinks, we'll give it a perfect 10. For Z Cafe by 3Rs, ito first time namin to experience their signature and bestsellers when it comes to their foods, and also available din sila for buy one take one promos and other exciting discounts. And magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, kay Chica, kay Heart, Shane, our Lucas Photography, and kay Biboy Natix for assisting and joining me sa wonderful experience, and also sa lahat po bumubo for Z Cafe by 3Rs, sa mga owners, staff, chefs, and baristas. Again, congratulations and thank you to Z Cafe by 3Rs. Stay safe, Anos. See you in the next brand, taste review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in Snip Lab, Iloilo City. Bye! Bye, Ali!